order to survive, we need to consider how the farming chain extends to our lives. We are all animals, and the only way out is understanding how this system works and taking action for it to change. So here are 5 facts everyone needs to know about keeping the earth and yourself healthy for a sustainable tomorrow. Number 1. Sea forests are just as important as land forests. The ocean is the largest carbon sink on the planet because sea forests act as carbon sinks and absorb carbon out of the atmosphere. And the huge wastes of excrement, antibiotics, and agrochemicals by land and sea animal farming, which right now are released in our waters, are killing it. At the same time, bottom trawlers, which drag giant nets across the ocean, release as much carbon into the atmosphere as air travel. Number 2. Plastic straws are a distraction. Plastic straws account for a mere 0.03% of the plastic found in the ocean. But more than 50% of the plastic in the ocean is fishing equipment like ghost nets. Turtles, whales and dolphins get caught in fishing nets and die. Over time, the nets break down and create microplastics, which enter the food chain and kill larval fish. If you want to make a positive impact and solve the problem of ocean plastic, stop eating fish. Number 3. Animal agriculture drives deforestation. Animal agriculture is a leading cause of rainforest destruction because it needs to be in constant expansion to satisfy its growing market, and those are the only places left to be occupied by this unsustainable activity that uses 80% of farmland and just supplies the 18% of the calories consumed. Number 4. It's not necessary to drink milk. Canada's food guide took dairy off the guide and now recommends switching dairy milk for a glass of water instead. Actually, drinking 8 glasses of water each day can improve your mood, cognition, and sleep quality. Number 5. Dairy milk is choking the earth. Dairy products emit 3 times the greenhouse gas emissions of soy milk. Did you know that by choosing only plant milk over dairy, you will significantly lower your carbon footprint? Eggs are also destroying the planet by emitting 2.5 times the greenhouse gas emissions of tofu. Take care of yourself and get outside and explore nature. Forest bathing reduces stress and improves happiness. Being around trees is like medicine. They help lower your heart rate and blood pressure, boost the immune system, and accelerate recovery from illness. Slavery is still in use on fishing boats, and it's linked to the same criminal groups behind drug trafficking and human trafficking. Around 24,000 fisheries workers die on the job each year. However, we can all be part of the solution by not eating fishes and other animals to protect both them and our carbon sinks. Urge your local schools and hospitals to switch to a vegan menu for the earth, for our health, and especially for the animals. You will find sample letters on our blog. Stop drinking dairy milk and make water your choice of beverage. Go vegan for the earth. Watch Seaspiracy and promote veganism in schools and hospitals. Take action. If the oceans die and forests die, we all die.